Let's draw a cute baby on rainbow and learn colors green, brown, yellow, pink, red, blue, purple, brown, dark blue, orange. So let's start. Hello everyone, welcome to Asma's Kids Colors and the channel where you can learn how to draw a baby on the rainbow and colors. My name is Asma and I love to share my passion for art with you. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, you will find something very exciting to do on this channel. So grab your pencil, brushes and colors and let's get started. Red, red color, R-E-D, red. The first color I use in the rainbow is red. Red color. Orange. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. It's orange color. Second color I use is orange. Orange. Pink. It's pink color. P-I-N-K, pink. Kids, it's pink color. The third color is pink. Yellow, yellow color. It's the fourth color I use. Yellow color. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. You are doing so good. Good job. It looks amazing. Are you excited for the last color? For the fifth color. Guess the color. It's sky blue. Sky blue color. I use sky blue color for the fifth rainbow color. Sky blue. Do you like sky? I like it. I hope you also like it. थोड़ी लगाई लो. Green color. Green color. That's all for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode of A Small Kids Colors, where you learn how to draw a baby and a rainbow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fun and educational videos. And remember, you can always color your dreams. See you next time. Bye bye.